Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add the buy now or shop now button on your Google listing, on your Google business listing. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, as it really helps out the channel for me to make videos like this. So let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is come over here to google.com, and then you're going to click over here the Google Apps icon. Let's click on it. And now we're going to go to Business Profile Manager. When you go to Business Profile Manager, select the account that you want to add the home button to. So once you're in Google Business Profile Manager, you're going to see this option called Create Post. So just come over here and click on Create Post. And now what we're going to do is you're going to select a photo. For now, I'm just going to skip this. I'm going to add a description. For example, if you're a restaurant and you're selling a 2-for-1 deal, you could enter it here. I'm just going to put 2-for-1 deal. Get it now. And just put in your description of what you're selling, or the offer that you're creating. And now over here you can add a button. You could learn more, buy more. With the button here you could book, order online, buy, learn more, sign up, and call now. If you wanted them to buy it, you could come over here and then add the link from your website over here, and then just click on preview first, and then you could click on post. And for the shop now, usually most people select learn more. So 2-for-1 deal, get it now. And if you had a link to a special offer that you posted on Yelp as well, you could also put in that Yelp button or that Yelp link as well here, and then just click on preview and then click on post if everything looks good. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.